Hello crafty friends, here is Susanne from Germany, and I would like to show you in this video how I create my next page in my personal junk journal. If you know my last video, I showed you how I create this area behind me where I organized my whole stuff for junk journaling. I make junk journals really only since February in 2020, and this is all new for me, and I have I would like to say every time it's in my style. My channel is called Bollenhut Art because this comes from the Black Forest where I come from. I think nobody from you who speak English can say Bollenhut, but this is my name. I come from the Black Forest, and this is in Germany a really special thing. Okay, I create this page for the memories of the day when I organized my stuff. I make some pictures and I make an envelope, and I also show you now how my desk looks like at this day after I'm working at my page. I show you this side here. Ooh. I don't know if you can see some things on it, but in the video I show you it very clear. Yes, maybe someone is interested in my art to make a personal page, and I will be very happy if you give me a thumbs up, or if you subscribe to my channel, because my channel is since February it grows to over 200 subscribers. This makes me really happy. When I think about that, there are over 200 people who looks after at my videos. This makes me very proud. I'm new in this business, and I'm new in Facebook and Instagram and all this stuff. I must learn this step by step. Also to make my videos, and I'm over 15 years old. Not 15, I'm over 50 years old. Oh, 15 years. Oh yeah, this is a long time ago. No, I'm 52 years old. Uh-oh. This was my husband. He's working. Like every time I make a video, he works in our garden, and he makes these noises. I'm so sorry. I hope you can enjoy my video, and I will be very happy if we see us in my next video. Bye bye. Have a good time. Ciao.